Alright guys, what's going on? It's Spencer here from Grinder Services, coming at you today with a review on the BR800C Stihl backpack blower. Now this thing has been a beast for me. It's really taken my business to the next level. It's really helped me with fall cleanups this year. I got it right before fall cleanup started and it was just great. It's been a monster. I can't wait to use it for snow removal this winter, try it out, and then give you guys another review on the snow removal side of it. But anyway guys, let's get in the review. Thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, so here's the deal with the BR800C. I'm going to throw a few stats at you, then I'm going to talk about it a little bit. So, the CFM on this thing, 912. The miles per hour rating, 239, so we'll just say 240. The newtons, the newton force that it blows at, is 41 newtons. This thing weighs 23 pounds, dry, so without fuel in it, and the engine is 80 cc's. This thing is a beast, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. It blows leaves pretty quick. I mean, it'll blow a pile very well. As you can see here in this video, I mean, there's piles up to the curb and about 4 feet out, and it just blasts them out of the road and onto the grass there. I mean, you can just see I'm just walking slow and it's blasting all the leaves up there. The CFM isn't too much of a thing to worry about with this. I would have liked to see it up at about 1,000, but the 912 doesn't bother me at all. I haven't noticed that I would want more from it. Honestly, using this thing has just impressed me very much. And I mean, my honest review is this thing is a definite go, guys. If you guys are looking at this thing and you guys are Stihl people, you have good dealer support with Stihl, I'd go with this all day.
Oh yeah, by the way, that side start, game changer.
Another thing I can say about this thing, guys, is that the added padding on the back, or the added length of the back plate on the BR800C is a great addition, along with the hip belt and the side start. I mean, those three things there have just put this thing over the top for me as the best blower right now, and the only blower that I want to be using on my properties. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for this review. This thing is a 5-star from me. I love this thing. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that like button, drop a comment below. Always do what you love, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.